Hey guys, Marianne here with you with Naples Luxury Classics, and we are here for Bring a Trailer. So I really want to showcase the vehicle itself. This is a 1984 Jeep CJ-7 Laredo, and it is powered by a small block, Chevy block 350 Ci, which is your V8, and that is going to obviously, or not obviously, but have your Edelbrock carburetor and an MSD automatic electronic fuel injected system. That engine is going to be linked with the replacement Muncie SM465, which is your 4-speed manual transmission and a dual range transfer case. It includes a Dana 30 front axle, an aftermarket lift kit, a Skyjacker 9000 steering stabilizer, and Skyjacker Hydro 7000 shocks. Look at those. Ow! No wonder it's so difficult to get in and out of. If you are off-roading, you're going to want these KC auxiliary lights. They are right here in the front, as you can see. They say KC as well. And then you also have your Mickey Thompson 8-hole wheels, a roll cage front bucket seats, a Sony stereo, and aftermarket speakers. And the CJ7 has 14 years in California. I mean, a whole 14 years in California, so you already know it has lived a beautiful life. So we do have a clean Carfax, as you can see right here on the listing. If you haven't looked at the listing, you can go to Bring a Trailer and you can look up Naples Luxury Classics